Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be restoring this old Dell Optiplex 380 back to its original glory. This is a kind of an in-between being retro and new. It's just kind of just that old Dell tower. It's actually in really good shape. When I acquired it, know nothing about it, don't know if it powers on, don't know if it works. It still has a Windows Vista product key that I can use to install maybe in the near future. It looks like that it's got everything inside. Haven't even popped the case off yet. And hey, let's open this bad boy up and see what we got going on inside. All right, everyone, don't mind the fan noise. It is extremely hot out here because the AC is not currently working right now. All right, so I got it flipped up on its side. We'll pop the that lever. That should open this door. Alright, let me see if I can pop this thing open without scratching it up any more than it already is. Except I do see a couple things missing. Gee, yeah, I see missing RAM. That's never good. Never good at all. Whew. Dusty. Looks like we got a PCI Express X16 slot, I think, yeah. I mean, it looks pretty good. I don't want to say it's too bad. 2 hard drive ports. Second well, you could probably put a hard drive if there's more too. Okay, alright. And as I'm correcting it, I believe it's an Intel Core 2 Duo processor. Looks like 255 watt power supply. Yeah, that's bad. That's not the greatest thing in the world. 1 lane for 1 hard drive, except we're missing a hard drive. But this looks pretty good. This looks in pretty good shape, actually. Wow, okay. Giant monster of a cooler in here. This thing's pretty well set, I guess. Wow. Okay. Alright, well, first things first, I gotta find RAM. I'm not sure what RAM it's gonna be. Probably gonna be DDR3. Let me see what I have. Okay, I got a Samsung 4GB stick. Hopefully it can support that, but I'll keep that out in the meantime. Probably should give this thing a good dusting, if you will. That was one dusty nightmare. Can't believe I breathed some of that in. Yeah. Jeez. That was fun. And it's still dusty in some parts that I just can't get to. But, okay. Well, what I want to do is I'm going to try to pop in this DIMM card. Alright, so I got it chilling down here. I got it plugged into my computers up here. I believe it's going to pop on in this screen because that one's a DVI-D and this one's a VGA, and it's only got a VGA port on it because it's so old. It actually doesn't have a PS2 keyboard input, it's just got a USB, so all I got is a mouse, so I actually cannot run outside right now because it's pouring rain, and I got a long walk back to the house. So, just going to turn it on and hope that it doesn't give the beep death error. If it does that, we're calling it quits for tonight. We'll be back tomorrow morning to see if it works. I did install a hard drive in there, not sure if it's blank or anything like that, but here we go. Let me turn this monitor on. If we've turned my UPS on. UPS doesn't want to work today. Come on. God, why does it do this for? You guys know why the BN650M does this? Okay. My goodness. There it goes. No, it's powering up now. Ah. What is going on right now? I don't even know what's going on. The battery backup, hey. Probably in too much of a load. So it seemed like it was giving that error with the RAM, so we'll come back tomorrow morning and see if we can figure out what's going on there. So I realized our computer was not booting up with DDR3 RAM, and I don't think I actually have any more DDR3 RAM. I think it's the only one I got, which is weird because I don't know, why do I have a 4 gig stick for? I normally only have 2. But it's not, so it's not posting with that, so I'm actually going to swap it in this slot, and we're going to try again. I actually thought it was a DDR2 RAM. That's interesting. I know my other Dell Optiplex box is the same one. What is the problem here? Is that just get inside the hole? Okay. Probably broke the slot trying to do that. I got one more motherboard with an Intel Celeron processor just in case something goes wrong. Okay, so let's give this a shot. Still seems to be doing it. The hard drive spun up like it was supposed to. Weird. Drain all the power from the system and try again. Let's see if it stops doing it by any chance. See, it did. Still getting posts to like 1 and 3. Now it's trying to boot. Interesting. Let's unplug the power. Drain the system. Let's try again plugging it into our system over there in the corner and see what happens. So it just stopped beeping. I'm gonna watch on our screen up here really quick and see if anything else happens. I plugged in Ethernet, so I know that light's working. This is a little bit strange. Nothing. Let me see if I can find a smaller gigabyte RAM stick. So sadly, I do not own any DDR3, I believe it was, RAM sticks that are at that certain megahertz that this Dell Optiplex 380 runs at. So we'll have to currently search for some of those. In the meantime, this PC seems like it does work, and for future reference, we'll turn it into something. So, well, I want to thank you guys for watching this video on this PC restoration, and this will be part 1. All right. Please like and subscribe. You watch Tech Simplified, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.